Good morning everybody and welcome to week 7 of the 12-week challenge for Phil and Becky. As you can see, Becky's got back from London. She's been away for about 3 or 4 days this week, so we've not seen as much of Becky as we normally do. In fact, I've not seen you since last week, since the assessment.
Not since Wednesday.
So last week we had an absolutely brilliant set of assessment results. Hopefully you all saw the videos on Sunday evening. Both of the results were great. Obviously this week we're going to weigh Phil and Becky as normal. To me it's like starting again, so we need to forget about what we've done in the past and we need to get focused, get back on it. Becky, we're going to weigh you first. Last week we had a loss of about £2 and we were at 84.4 kilogram. Having been away for the weekend, not exercised at all, where do we think we're going to be, if we're honest?
I think I'm expecting a bit of an upset, to be fair. I've not exercised, I've done 2 lots of exercise in a week, I've had a drink, I've not been able to choose everything as healthy as I want to, so I'm expecting the results that you get from that, so that's as it is, but we start again today.
So you think you might put a little bit of weight on, potentially?
Potentially, but you know, today it starts again.
Should we just get on and have a look and see where we're at?
Let's do it.
Okay, 84.4 kilogram we were, Phil. Let's have a look at where Becky is today. £85.3 kilogram. Okay, so 85.3 kilogram. 85.3 kilogram. So that's our first increase in weight on the challenge so far. So naughty Becky. So we've gone up around about £2 there, or just over. But you would have expected that, Becky, you thought?
I did expect it. I mean, you know, that's what happens, isn't it? So.
Okay, so we've got to get Becky back on it. We need a massive week this week. Okay, we've got to get Becky to the 2 stone mark. And we're about £16, £17 off it. So at the minute, we're looking for £3 a week, or even a little bit more. So we've got to get stuck into it now, Becky.
Absolutely.
Okay, let's switch over, Phil. Let's have a look at where Phil's at. Okay, Philip, if you just want to come in here, have you had a good week, Phil?
Yeah, great week, thank you. Yeah.
And in terms of, we just had one night out, didn't we?
One night out on Friday. Done the exercises, been eating quite healthily, so should have a result.
Okay, let's have a look where Phil's at, Becky. Phil was 148.7. So Phil was 148.7 and Phil is 147.5.
Well done, Phil.
Okay, well done, Phil.
Well done.
147.5 kilograms. Okay, so Phil's somewhere in the region of £2.5 to 3, well, 2 3/4 pounds probably there. Can we get, have you got the weights on there, Becky? Can we see?
Yeah, I'll just come in a little bit.
Okay, so a loss for Phil, 2 3/4 pound. Becky, we've gone up £2. So Phil, are you pleased with that?
No, I thought it'd be the 3 or 4 pounds because I've done everything that I should be doing. But
do you think you can still go out on a Friday night and still get your weight loss down?
Listen, big week 8 for Phil. I'll be back.
Okay, so it needs to be a big week 8 for Phil, a big week 8 for Becky. We've got 4 stone and 2 stone to lose respectively. I'm going to get them back on it this week. Maybe a little bit of a telling off for Becky. No laughing, Becky. After the video's finished. We'll get the guys back on it. We'll see you at the next video. We're going to do a training session now, so they're going to get work very hard, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.